Hello, this is Spring News with the weekend news summary from February 17th to 19th. Bitcoin prices reached a 6-month high on Friday. The largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization is now up more than 55% since its November low of $15,600, after the FTX collapse capped a string of high-profile bankruptcies among significant industry players. Bitcoin manages to rise in an environment where regulators have put in place harsh measures making it more difficult for fund managers to invest in crypto. The two largest creditors of the former Tokyo-based Bitcoin exchange Mt. Gox have agreed to receive compensation in Bitcoin. If they had preferred to receive repayment in fiat, the trustees could be forced to sell large amounts of Bitcoin due to Mt. Gox, which could cause the price of Bitcoin to drop. Mt. Gox was handling over 70% of all Bitcoin transactions worldwide by early 2014. Then it abruptly ceased operations amid revelations of its involvement in the theft of hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin. The Australian economy is reviving after the pandemic. The world's 6th largest country saw a surge in inflation, which reached 7.8% last year. Higher prices of new homes, increased transportation costs, and long-deferred holidays primarily drove the rise. The country's 50 richest combined wealth grew to around $213 billion, a 70% jump from 2019. Miners are heading in the list of the 50 wealthiest Australians, even though tech tycoons have been competing with them in recent years. According to the Financial Times, the Iranian-American billionaire Jam Najafi is preparing a bid to buy Tottenham Hotspur. As it is written in the announcement, the billionaire is putting together a consortium led by MSP Sports Capital to make a €3.1 billion takeover bid for the North London club. Controlled by David Levy since 2021, Tottenham Hotspur is currently in 5th place in the Premier League and is very profitable. For the 2021-22 fiscal year, the team had $537 million in revenue, 23% more than the previous year. The new AI technology launched by Microsoft is receiving negative feedback during its public testing. The new AI-powered Bing integrates a chatbot to run searches and summarize results. However, users testing it are disappointed and calling Microsoft to shut down ChatGPT in Bing. Bing's new technology has shown bizarre behavior, threatening users and telling them lies. Elon Musk has joined others calling for Microsoft to shut down ChatGPT in Bing, as it is not safe yet. According to a former Google employee, the tech giant has 4 problems: no mission, no urgency, delusions of exceptionalism, and mismanagement. Praveen Seshadri worked at Google for 8 years. According to Seshadri, the culture of endless growth and hiring without a clear vision was the cause of the company's decision to cut over 12,000 jobs in January. American adults prefer casino gaming for entertainment in record numbers. The U.S. commercial gaming revenue amounted to $60 billion, breaking its annual record for a second consecutive year. The figure is 14% higher than the previous record of $53 billion set in 2021. Land-based gaming accounts for 80.5% of total revenue for the year, and online gaming makes up the remaining 19.5%. Follow Spring News. Be informed to be empowered.